Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you a little bit of a page that I've been coloring in this coloring book that came with my color pencil set, the 174 Shuttle Art color pencils. And it took me about a week to swatch them all. So I created different swatches of all the colors so that I can use it as a color palette if I wanted to choose colors and put them together to see like a color scheme or color palette. And I did it for maybe a couple hours or an hour or two a night for the past week. So I finally completed them. So glad about that. And I did put them in my case here. So just to give you an idea, I have my metallics and some of the grays here. These are my other watercolor pencils actually that I have on this side. And then here's a continuation. I have little slips of paper here because since I'm coloring in the coloring book, I did take some out and just have them set aside here, but just so that I know where to put them back together. So again, continuing on here. So again, it's the 174 set. I wonder if I could just show you here. Also, I have my gel pen, some of my micro pens, my Faber-Castell pens here, and then just some of my other color pencils, my extender, a mechanical pencil eraser, and a pencil sharpener in here. So that's what I have, and I really love this pencil case. So I just wanted to show you. I picked out, by choosing some of these color schemes, I picked out a small little palette, and I haven't used all of them yet, but I swatched them, swatched the pencils as I did them just to get an idea. So let me show you the page that I've been coloring in. Let's see. So I chose this page, and I'm also using, besides my Shuttle Art pencils, also the other pencil set that I have. So for example, this here is with the other pencil, this greenish gray, but I do like how the rocks are coming out here. So just some shading. Did this whale, and yesterday I did this jellyfish. It takes some time, I have to say, with the shading and the picking of the colors, but I do like the way it's turning out, especially here at the bottom. And I also went and I purchased this from Hobby Lobby. It wasn't on sale, so it was $8.99, but it came with 2 burnishers and 2 blenders, plus the eraser and another pencil sharpener. So this is the one that I'm using right now, and it's from Derwent. So it's a blender, and you just use that to blend in your colors. I haven't used the burnisher yet because I want to wait until the very end to burnish it, but I do like the way this blender actually works. So for example, here I have one light color, and then I have several other colors, and I can just use this to to go ahead and blend it in. And I did that here also on the rocks with the shading. This here looks really, really good. So and it's very easy. So for example, you can see here as I'm doing this, just blending that in. And I'm not pressing too hard because, again, I don't want to burnish it. I may want to add additional layers, but I do like the way that this blends in. They had various, I think they had a Prismacolor. They had one that was more like a pen. I don't know, had some sort of liquid in there. But yeah, I like the way that this is turning out. I was hoping to finish it by July to participate in, I think her name is Lavella. She has a monthly finish 1 page in your coloring book and then post that, but we're already at July 28th, so I don't think I'll be done. I won't be done, by the end of July, but hopefully by August I can go ahead and participate in that. But again, just to give you a close-up, I really, really like the way the shading is turning out. And with this coral, I am once I'm pretty much done with the pencils, I am going to add maybe with a darker pen or maybe gel pen, like little marks just to show like the marks of the coral, and maybe some more on here. So, but this is the whale. And I'm not totally finished also with the whale. Gonna have to pick some colors for that, and naturally the fish, but I think I'm done with the jellyfish. But maybe I might add some sparkle to the jellyfish too. And maybe I'll do, when I color in the bubbles, maybe I will show that in a video just to see how the bubbles come out, to make it, you know, show that little 3-dimension on it. So when I do that, I'll go ahead and I'll show a video on that. But again, this is the coloring book that came with the Shuttle Art pencils. And again, I really, really like them. These are just, you know, a few of the colors that I've been using. So the grayish pink, light coral, ochre, bluish green, and let's see, and gray blue. So these are all some of the colors that I've been using. I really like the feel of them and the way they color in. I do use, again, those other pencils that I have that are not the Shuttle Art, just to get into the little groove areas. You know, like the little areas such as these flowers, maybe over here in between where the grass or the kelp is, just to get into those little fine areas. So if you have any questions, just let me know, but I definitely recommend the Shuttle Art. I have Prismacolors, the vintage, but I haven't used them yet. And I really do also like the Derwent burnisher and blender. Again, I haven't used the burnisher yet, but I do like the blender. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.